Tabs, 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 tabs everywhere. When you're working on your Joomla site, do you ever end up with so many tabs open in your screen you can't even find the tabs that you want to go back to? Today I'm going to show you a cool new feature in Chrome browser that will let you manage your tabs a lot better and is going to really help you when you're working on your site. Hey there, Joomla fans. Tim Davis here. I'm a Joomla fan too. Thanks for tuning in to Maintenance Monday number 181 here on the Basic Joomla Tutorials YouTube channel. Coming at you a little bit late because I had no power in my house until like 1 in the afternoon today. And so we're back and catching up. All right, so let's turn our attention to the screen and we'll get right to it. Today's video is brought to you by mysites.guru. Head on over to mysites.guru. Get a free site audit for your Joomla site. While you're there, check out all the tools and features that will save you time and money managing one or multiple Joomla sites. And if you decide to subscribe, you'll get your first month free by using the coupon code BASICJoomla. All right, and we can even start out here on the mysites.guru site. So as you'll see here, I've got a lot of tabs open up, and now in this feature that we can do in Chrome is we can group tabs. So right from the beginning, let's create a new group. Let's right click on the tab and we will go add tab to new group. All right, and now look, we can give this group a name. Let's just call it Joomla, and let's give it a color. We'll go with the orange. Oh, we'll go with the blue. All right, we hit enter. And now you'll see we have a Joomla tab. Now, we've only added one thing to it. It has this original tab here. There's a couple of ways we can add other tabs to them. Check this out. In this tab, oh, here's the joomla.org site. So whatever I've got happening in this channel, on this tab, I would like it to be part of the Joomla tab. I can right-click, go add tab to new group, and add it to Joomla. And now it's highlighted in blue with the mysites.guru. But check this out. If I click the label here, Joomla, it scrunches down. My tabs are hiding back there. Excellent. All right. Look, all right. Now here's the CNN page. Let's create a grouping of news. Going to right click, add to new tab, and we will go to a new group called news. And let's make this one purple. All right, we hit enter. Now we have that. Now before to add, here's another news tab for CBC in Canada. We right clicked and add it to a group, but look, I can left click and I can drag in there. As soon as the outline turns purple, I know that's the group it's going to. And there it is. So here's a search for global TV. I was looking for news there. Maybe I'm going to look for that later. That's part of the news. So I'll put it into the purple. And let's see, there's, oh, that's my Joomla site. And here's another, oh, this is Vancouver Sun. So let's put that in the news. Now look, we got these tabs open. I click news, they're gone. Hey, I want to see what's going on in Joomla. Here's my tabs here. I can click here or there. Excellent. Now let's do a little bit more sorting here. Here is a YouTube video on Hindenburg colorized. All right, well, I'm going to leave that for now. But here, oh, here's another Joomla link. So we're going to move that over to, let's see. Oh, it won't go unless that tab is open. No worries. We can do that. Of course, what I could have done, we'll close that tab, is here I could go right click, add tab to Joomla. All right, now, so that's in there. So we can just go and sort a whole bunch of things and have things where we want, which is really nice because let's say I'm doing some work and I get a call from a client or there's something that I need to do. I can just go over to new tab. I can search, I can go to their page, check it out. Let's go to one of my other clients here, fcp.co. And it's like, oh, okay, I can see. They call, they say there's a problem because there's a spelling or there's something else. I can open up a whole bunch of other tabs and do that work. Add a new group. Now, a cool thing about these groups is check this out. If I right click on news, the news group, I can select move group to a new window. Suppose you get so many things up here, it's just like, oh, I just need this out on its own now. Or maybe you want to close a whole bunch of things, but you don't want to close this one. Just right click, move group to a new window, and check it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, everything's here in this group. Meanwhile, in the background, I could just close this here. Now let's also suppose, let's see here, well, I need to get this tab back there. All right, let's suppose that I want to move this group back into the other tab, into the other group of the browser window. I'm going to minimize, I'm going to grab it, and then I'm just going to drag it up back into here. Check it out. And as you'll see, I actually have news. I have a few things. It's just a really handy way. Sometimes I've worked so long on a project and I have so many tabs open, and then I work on another project. Then I get checking my email, and I just have so many tabs. They get so small at the top, I don't know which is which and how to find them. So this is a really great way to streamline and save time on the tabs that you have open when you're working on your Joomla site and working on other projects. So I hope that that was helpful for you. I hope you enjoy that tip. I was really excited to bring it to you. I am happy to be able to use it for myself too. So if this was helpful for you, please subscribe to the channel, ring the bell to get notifications, and YouTube thinks that there's some other things that you would like to watch, and they're popping up on the screen right now. I think that would be great too. Go ahead and watch them. And until the next time, enjoy your Joomla sites, and God bless.